Hi and welcome, Lisa here with the product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Life is Cool 4x6 clear stamp set. I think the little koalas chilling by the pool are adorable and perfect for our summer themed cards. As always, I'm going to stamp the images out with you and then I'll share a few samples. Now the koalas measure about 1¼ inches wide by 2¼ inches high in this set. Now I've paired these images with a few previously released products from Whimsy Stamps to create what I hope are inspiring samples for you. Now my first sample here, I stamped that large pool party sentiment onto an A2 card base and then stenciled over it with the Puddles stencil from Whimsy using some Distress Oxide inks. I colored the images with my Zig pens, stamped the sentiments, cut them out with the Whimsy Stamps Simple Sentiment strips to create this really fun card. Now for my next sample, I kept it real clean and simple. Simple stenciling with the Making Waves stencil. Again, colored the images with my Zig pens, ran them through the scan and cut to cut those out. I did add a little glossy accents to that glass, and then of course stamped those sentiments and cut them out with the simple sentiment strips again. Let me know what you think of the new Life is Cool 4x6 clear stamp set in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you will find more inspiration. Until next time, take care.